I'm Mary Jane Magallanes, 36 years old, residing at Umod, Maninihon, Bayawan City. I'm a two-year graduate of computer programmer at Asian College of Science and Technology. My first work experience as a cashier at Lee Plaza, Dumaguete City for almost a year, and then decided to apply at Greenwich Pizza Corporation as a production staff, and after that I work as an internet attendant at Scooby's Dumaguete City for almost a year, and because of the end of contract, I applied to another job at SPI Global at Dumaguete City. I work as a content editor, and I was promoted as a team leader for almost 4 years, and I decided to resign because I was took care of my son, Gavin and Zion, 8 and 9 years old, and now I'm planning to go back to work as a domestic helper so I can provide the daily needs and support my sons. This is my first time for applying in overseas job, and I can assure you that I am a good listener, the a fast learner, and I hope you can choose me as one of your employee. Thank you.